right Okuman 97.1. Ebrenya so Okuman Global Sports and every year signed the bar. Uchane Morano was pa. Simenuma Popo Tonko. Na senya debia no yetena sisi na isa gudi munsam. Nechegu Ghana habibrem na fensu na manane. Yetena sina fensu de munsam nyina de aba. Enen sem ofia ye ba bedi mun komo. More fire. I know that I don't say the Eastern Region Division 2 League, you know. I won't come here, say, Didi. And you may call Eastern Region, RF, catching up for Sonia Cotin, Commodore Donald, the Fru, Yapemun Tremuye. Or Timson, master format, Roman Sarantias, yes, and the Bowram RF Eastern Region, Yapin Tremuye, the Fire Division 2, no. Na never tear some work for Pima. I never tear some more be back on now or the Achame. Was fire and a bus and I'm in Sarah and Sheni. It's a big coming off on his What do you say? I started campaign be about a year fix Academy Park. Yes, Academy project, you know. And kakran, fear me and Nuni and that park and then Dawaja say, you're Janet Jemu. You be answered, Uncle so. Yamin Chadum Yanya, a young penny for a card on Baba Buana Films at the mid project, no park and at Macoso. But what Timmy Wakame and your dear a media at the high yen is say young fanfare at Kawubia Mane Park in delay. But I know, and I said Dano Brada and penny for another mine for a stop for near Kukudam Kusia. A thing come on exclusive no Baba. And come on, meeting up and you for quiet no my bowrum. Don't so command baby. I show. See it here. I should not feel like a biamu crab man. And the crab man has some quadi and in an if you command 97.1. Meeting a moon common in the exclusives and my bro. If baby, as she said, Chile, some man, park a man for more money at the end of your body. They say, come on out here, because I do want to sign it here. Without fear and favor, you cannot no crano sapa pepe. Now, first, you could dear moon to make 2 points. You couldn't him. Oh, crapman deserve better. A crapon deserve more. And you are by see a coin so on pre massa. A Jan and so. They see a back criticize it. Can some send it here. At the dear, I am Fanya Juma. No more than no cret, trodo. No, and any year, Juma. No, the I also be the Dini Pana, I still by Chini Papa, form one prima and Bunton Goswa. Massa, Yaniabre. Yayakati. A cropon, Yayakati. A cropon had the capital of the municipal. Then to when unya baby in terms of sports, ubanya baby akodi agro. Na no bi baba buana so mpre masa unya obi a okroma sa o. Utem unya obi asa. Enya untina the development of a cropon baba kechi. Enya untina cropon entumpom kwanenim. Because then why you work cropon? Mo individual no then why you work cropon? I need to be a 2 West or some develop your cropona can my own penny. Crab pray. Jan and so. Don't want to show. Buras and communimu. But Pastor Lofia Solo Betuja, Crobia Santa, the ever come on a name. On an Samu Hall. Who said Crobia, yeah, probable lineup for the man next season. That's in one of your players. How Felix on your player? Enzo Fernandez, man, Jenny January next season, man, Yamunkwan number promo. Probable lineup for the so any sir, enya players ba ku mieru bi kan wa be fa no de be ansa be kan amana ne sembe ba Olu Success Bank Division 1 League no so no fear na kopem aye juara matches be koso Ghana Premier League Betpa ni nyina be koso Women's Premier League the mu komu nyina de be ba executive producer Yera Kofi Anson ba for KB Nana Kofi Okori Achaman Head of Sports Producer Extraordinaire Oba Juma Papa DJ Zigibi DJ Donzi Ajua Poku ya Wana Mopoku CWC the writer commentator senior on UT Omunyina Boama Jumedi na koso the DA Kelvin Amponta Eddie Ofremi Eka Mejoso Emo se obua pa de your boss player na kawana se be biewu as the Jumanesi aka the boss player join your live on Facebook Okuman Radio 97.1 YouTube nso Okuman Radio 97.1 Ajinchere nyina fabra dem wudu a like page no na say na ending komo Oba for Bapes Cuisine Madam Nyamiche ewie ma minchia o nse nkomo no guso ekoso prepare yabete onka midnight ekomo chuchu no so adu akiri boya heavy papa ami wura mu so Marriott Hotel wankan na ye shen nkomo chuchu bi ase yes you say boya heavy thank God pim busumi na wie be finalize bibia police ni na mire finidi just commander o si enwom ni jama we o mfa nya grokra ase mora na wo jama ni mu just o te na no popo para wa hin wo ya heavy o wa hin aye champion police officer papa o wa hin champion nya mi sira o ene sira hwe ne o dia be boy wo fia o ya heavy papa Ban platinum emojis are almost see you fantastic. I shall say Monitania from afar. I say police officer. One of the few fine police officer obi your mom. O wa yin nyame shira o. Kro bia o ha mama na kwapa na fe so no kwan so say bibia e kama de a. Krobia asante.
Okay.
But when John was so na may crocobia no pian. A crop must develop. A crop must develop. To by your was a probia. Massa. The can send it here the word of insult. You know, dear member, Penamena, may your yes, I mean, yes, yeah. Jan show. Bibia kama.
Obadia Dama.
Fantastic.
Bibia fine pa. Bibia fine. Ya wan hodin ko ade na chese. Bibia kama.
Okay.
So wan hodin dey. Say me say the 100%.
Anya 100
fully charged.
Oh, that be 60.
60.
Yeah, 60.
Battery health no.
60 but 60 na juma be born 100 for ninya bi kura na yeah.
Battery health no that is
one. As akoye side 6 me
na adena den.
So onya yi.
Eh. Yeah. Maya anzo mo.
Amubo akra she. Na ya kan zani ti amubo.
Maya. Anadin na sisa.
Ndisa dada na.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ntia no.
Amana ni semwo.
Oh, amana ni semwo na mo legendi.
Info.
Mo legendi.
Barcelona.
Yo. Dani Alves. Na asem na serious o.
So na sure be koji.
E serious pa.
Na sure be koji.
12 years there. Okay, I know what thing.
12 years na bubo ba hon.
12 years. 12 years there. I know them pa.
So no san ko pay 18 years.
No. I know I didn't. But be. But me say e kurom ha anke nkosi hwe.
So you're legend.
Now,
figure as yes, or board
Danny Alves. Yeah. Because okay, Krum guy you in penifo bebre na one more nyoma. Oh yes. Ghana hankasa o she penifo pa one more yem ma bank to e chale. O frame rant be do now catch home so be an kind story in one open be encounter. Penifo ni say one name rant ni mum di ehwinhwim. Ba wo mo so wonde no so a abranti bi entumi nko ho. So what born we are to fee.
You know about 17 hours. You know about 17 hours. Branton, bad. So would you want to cry? You must be our band. So, name my birthday. Yes, I know my birthday. Mama,
Superwoman,
the mother of woman. You know, Madame Elizabeth.
Say, I have one more show Facebook and YouTube. No woman who say, yes, Madame of command. Come on.
Breakfast. I'm talking crowd man. I mean, that's all about tonight.
And if you do afternoon fast.
It's a lunch.
Breakfast and banana.
Yeah, lunch.
I will be. Or just if morning. Say ube DBB anopa your friend do breakfast no and now the break you morning no breakfast no e we answer you dey know so afternoon fast
evening fast
afternoon fast na evening fast na just say na say no obi di anopa who say breakfast e we answer you afternoon fast and you evening fast na ye call
America should be e we na good morning na only mistake here because one say fitano pa hu ne
no okay
to bisano na no
pan said they are odasum ye hu obi na osora no pa ebisan how was his or her night no I think say
Madam Elizabeth Ayao mother of Okuman happy birthday pa and confirm on a heavy papa
eke yanko ni tew
and so and I found two answer
family two
me found two momo
family two na mensie true to nim kakra
na ne bre ofia me se me kan e twa eke adwuma no ho
editorial ho ana
me chira so no chira me Black Stars so
okay
Black Stars mutumi nkodi 140 million Ghana cedis Omzem Black Stars and Black Queens 2022 ko almost spending 142 million Ghana cedis
nyina wo de ye
ntino ye beba be chiri ma chira nkrata ho tiano so to me spend oh yeah ntino amana nsem
El Chicharito. Ahí la tiene Torrado. Torrado la juega por abajo, el arquero sale, la tiene Gio. No hay arquero. ¿Quién le pega? Gio.
Right, every bibia ha e dia ba command 97.1 e bredu se dia monane nsem wa ya bobo anore ba betan yiti for enso ene ya hwefo na Kofi Okore Agyeman together with AK ene Paradise abobo ansem na no ekrunche de egu krata so se menko no kwantin kro na memfa manfo krosu nsem no emfa bedan yiti for ene obibia se ya kase radio no ababeye audio visual ente na ewutie no na asanso hwe na unya the clear vivid description of the stories are yede eba pictorial presentation evidence based stories ni nyina yede eba other footages ni nyina enso etwegu in social media handles no so especially on Facebook and YouTube or remo Facebook or Common Radio 97.1 or like page na wetumi epia share ama wo diaspora no so no etumi get in touch of the show yete eba enewie no YouTube no enso your Common Radio 971 DJs Gibi ana ne no obwa ama dwumedie no ye streaming live na nyoma so no etumi akonkan ti bibia ekoso ho bia enso DJs Gibi ekoye yo no ankoye nso a na neso mboni nyina nso yetumi ede abono na nyoma nso no etumi akonkan edi no krobia sante be hyase enso ede free Spain ana ne Copa del Rey enso eguso a ekoso na odremu andra matches a odobi enso etumi eto dwa na odremu enso ewo Osasuna wo nso ene Sevilla na etumi ede akensi no etumi ehihye so ewo ene odremu Estadio El Sada ehona game no etumi ekoso 2-1 victory ana etumi eko edema Osasuna wo mutumi ewini by 2-1 against Sevilla wo mutumi the advance to the semi-finals of the 2023 Copa del Rey no so honoma ye hye nim sanso na remu Spotify di Campino la FC Barcelona enso etumi kame Real Sociedad game no etumi ekoso at the end of 90 minutes soccer fiesta FC Barcelona etumi enya victory no a goal to nil scored by a branch friend Osman Dembele and etumi enya the only goal enso edi secure Barcelona wo victory wo etumi abwremu enso semi finals no na wey ana ne wo hye Juma Xavi enso ebo any team ne mranti a uremu a wo ye adwuma momentum no enso suriye pa da no adan cheye ana Saudi Arabia wo ko kire wo counterpart wo city rival ana se club raba wo ne wo ebo Real Madrid ma game no etumi ekoso wo mutumi eje sa super cup ma nyoman so no etumi ekonkan na papa ono so dwumadie nyina esi ni sire so as manager Xavi Hernandez na nei after endra qualification a wo mutumi ebuki wo ticket no odensem kakra enso ede etuga yente Xavi Hernandez and Ransom Mutumikai. Yeah, no, and so egusua to amase new man so no ebetumi akonkan kama na eneye tie nsem a Xavi Hernandez so no etumi ede etuga efa hono na enum no ana ne ohwem games outdoor bia enso ebetumi abaso hono na big game no enso baso sanso ana ne big game no so no ebetumi atodwa ohwem Wanda Metropolitano a ana ne no Tubuku bakon from Atletico de Madrid womonso ene Real Madrid ana ne no womonso ebo we no nyina efi Madrid krumwa womode sa game no so no ebetumi abaso honom tie nyina nya asem ketwa enso Estadio Santiago Bernabeu Real Madrid for wom krumwo na game no ebetumi abaso referee no Carlos Cesar Crado ono na ne obetumi ginemu ato ayerem ama game no so no etumi atodwa na second game no so no ebetumi ato akoso uremu Estadio de Mestalla ana ne no Valencia enso ene Atletico de Bilbao ana betumi esi akan Inaki Williams Ghana ni Abrantia no osi akan de Atletico de Bilbao ene wo mokomu Mestalla na wo nso ene Valencia etumi akobo enso ama game no etumi akonkan ntia na nwumrei ana sa games we num nyina enso Baso Valencia ne Bilbao no 7 pm sanso no na oremu Real Madrid enso ene Atletico de Madrid no enso 7 pm a jetia wonsam ni nyina no enso ede bana oremu England a yeba behwe England ne yan ahwe endra matches awudopia eno so etumi ekoso na uremu no ma endra na EFL Cup semi-final game baako etumi ekoso Manchester United womonso any team a ye from Nottingham Forest nso anetumi eboya endra da Manchester United nso no etumi enya ene qualification womo etumi ebuki wo ticket enso abweremu semi-finals of the EFL Cup a womonso ekohwe enim se nyoma nso no ebetumi akonkan team a ye from Manchester United womo kobo finals ama nyoma etumi akonkan sabpepe Marcus Rashford etumi ebogo sanso ana Abrantia friend Bruno Fernandes nso no etumi ebogo ede boy ama Abrantia friend Wout Weghorst enso etumi ebo ne first goal enso Edemaya eno nso etumi ekonkan na enum no ana Abrantia ye friend Wout Weghorst etumi bo ne first goal enso Edema Manchester United yentie se ne andra na ne feeling no enso etie.
Yeah, it's always special and you always want to score goals and also you prefer to have this first one, of course, as quick as possible. So really happy. I think it was a really important moment also. The 2-0, I think short before the halftime. So that gives us a good and a way better feeling in the break.
And also any ensema striker no so netumi ede to go manager ede Manchester United Eric Ten Hag go buy enche kra busumi sia kra no pani no entumi enye binemu mu abatumi a transform Manchester United team no ama ne momentum netumi aba players no bibia bon homoden wetumi abwremu ne first cup competition wetumi ewremu so finals ede ama Manchester United opani so no ede nsem kakra etuga.
Happy with the performance, and I think over 90 minutes we controlled the game. There was one moment in the game what could have changed the game, and that is what we have to be aware of. There we have to improve, but I think all over it was a good performance from our team. And so first leg is done, but still one leg to go.
The moment that changed the game, you mean the Forest goal, that to get back into the game, didn't they?
Yes, they changed the system. And we didn't anticipate on that. and it can't happen. But I have to say also that they still did the same, come over counterattacks. We knew that before, and it can't happen. And that is still a moment where we have to learn, where we have to improve as a team. If we want to be top, such moments can't happen.
We also any and someone Eric Ten Hag manager the Manchester United in sono etumi edi etuga yebeko ejiri na akakoshfa ene Xavi Hernandez manager edema FC Barcelona after sendra wono so etuguma akako frema Copa del Rey semi-final no yinsemo odon so di tugwa no yentie.
That's my feeling today, and in the game against Getafe and other days where we've won by a goal to nil, the game gets more complicated in the end, and we always get saved by Ter Stegen or a defender, and there are moments where we have to kill off the game. It's something we have to learn, but it's also football. If you aren't effective on the ball or you don't come in physically in certain moments, you'll end up suffering. That's the only negative feeling from the game. Our play was solid. We dominated an 11-man Sociedad that had come in with 9 straight without a loss. We played good football. I think the feelings were very good. In the end, we're where we want to be here in January. We're top.
Ejine nsema Xavi Hernandez nsono manager de ma FC Barcelona enso etumi ede etuga yenremu wo nsemu fufrumu de emfa nsemu nyina enso emfa embrawa ne remu e wo Everton sene na Liverpool Fenway Group no ehwe ni muse obi ba beto Liverpool team no sanso na Everton papa e friend of Ferrad Moshiri enso officially wetumi de aba bontin se Everton team no oton se wa bre papa pa managers na eba ni nyina enya ade a wo mutumi eboa Everton so no wo mon kan konti ya se djuma no eya jo pani na nkasa enso no team no 500 million pounds so the bar na ne wetumi aba be Fatima ye frɛ wo mo Everton na nyoma nso no etumi akonkan Everton wa na ne ye wo mpe striker ono nso betumi aba be boa na ene relegation a wo mo so fight for no nyoma etumi akonkan na wo mo etumi stay e wo league ne munti Marko Arnautovic ana ene wo mo di wo mani akye no osi akan enso e wo Italian Serie A ni mo de ma Bologna ana ne wo mo di wo mani akye so mpa Brante no ono nso bra no meye djuma na nyoma nso no entumi enkonkan Black Stars right back and as a defender Abrantia Jeffreno Eneno Tarek Lamptey a player osi akan Edema Brighton and Hove Albion and so ewa the English Premiership ni mu numu ana ne Abrantia no ukubremu ewa France Olympique de Lyonnais epe right back ene Abrantia ba ko Efreno Malo Gusto ono no a player osi akan Edema wo mu ne mum no Chelsea akọ ho a enchekra na saade ono nso netumi ewie nti enum no wo mu di wo mani akire mu ewa Brighton na wo mu hwe ni mu se Brighton Abrantia Jeffreno Tarek Lamptey no ebetumi aba no nso etumi aba be Felix avoid no na ne oman so etumi akonkan e wo mafremu a yete yan wonsem ni nyina enso ede eba sanso na remu Tottenham Hotspur Brantia ye frɛ no Anut Danjuma Abrantie koye medicals e wo Everton mo pass bribia kama na mumu no womu etumi afa ho akwafa Brantie 6 months on loan and Brantie no eba with option to buy ayeno so ani nemu anti Anut Danjuma from Villarreal ono so eremu e wo Tottenham Hotspur officially womu so etumi akonfirm di ono mani o man so no etumi akonkan Luka Modric e midfielder enso edema Real Madrid na Brantie eni sama imu ono so ne contract enso ebetumi abane we as to say Real Madrid man contract extension de Brennan Krabia ne betumi a kire na na say ono an former mate Cristiano Ronaldo Santos Aveiro tima ene obo e Saudi Arabia no wo motumi aba Brantie no se nei wo musu benya the service of Brantie your friend Luka Modric no so abedane dane no e wo mfifi no Cristiano Ronaldo wo motumi reunite na nyoma so no etumi akonkan e ho na Thiago Silva e player osi akan de match Chelsea enche ne betu gwa se nkomo twetwe guso a se contract extension no e betumi akoso officially Brantie no etumi agepene ate asese nei ono so betumi extend contract no a season enso so the ama Chelsea ama no man so etumi akonkan uremu a Manchester City wo mo striker in uremu Premiership nu a ogini dimpa ne ho agi bebia Erling Braut Haaland ono Norwegian striker ono so esi akan wo Etihad na nei Norwegian wo mo wo mo hours night no Abrantie friend no Erling Braut Haaland ana wo mutumi vote no as best player of a no foreign best player wo mutumi di award no etumi abaniti say udu Norway wo mo best player nyina no Erling Braut Haaland ono so etumi award no mani o man so no etumi akonkan na woni mu say UEFA Nations League no ene uhrimu a womu tumi ede nsem kakra tumi ekopie mu na semi final draw no etumi ato join Netherlands enso ene Croatia ana betumi abo sanso ana Spain enso ene Italy we na ye semi finals ewo UEFA Nations League ene womu eboy into pairing no say na tie emumienu qualifier womu the grand finale na womu so etumi akwa akodi juma na Newman so no etumi akonkan UEFA so Euro 2030 ana se betumi abaso no mu say ne mpanifo enso the proposal eko isanka womo enye ni 32 teams na womo tumi participate enso ho ne mum no UEFA enye ade a ne yotumi agitu mo officially womo communicate say ade no enye ade betumi abaso nti womo attend ne down proposal ampanifo de koi sanka womo be ne 32 teams no eno nso entumi ambaso nti be remaining 24 countries and as nations womo compete Euros no mu na ne woman so etumi akonkan ho no ma yede ya wonsem ni nyina no enso ede banti amana ne nsem tew no aha na ebrema kwan ama nei yetumi enso ede esi na yekono na opani kese pa ene Jose Mourinho Felix ne birthday Jose Mourinho Felix ne birthday oye legend unse anye coach bia na manager bia na obedi birthday a bia be announce debi nipa sa ndidi so nyo bia keke nti Jose Mourinho Felix ono ananei odi na woda 60th birthday na je se nyoma konkan pa opanyini nanyin na Mikel Arteta akasa o se nei Abrante e friend El Neni we pray na ni pray na nhwa obekọ the rest of the season into nei oka kire edu ene mpanifo ne se wo mo mpe midfielder emfa ambition na 9
amra Barcelona
into de yentie finenum na efe Frankesi yankwe
cover. Obviously, we've been with 3 central defenders for the first part of the season, which is very, very short. We've been lucky with injuries, but we needed to recruit in that position. We've done it. Jakub, as you said, is playing different roles and is a versatile player and is going to strengthen the team. And if anything else is available that can make us better, we'll look at it. Well, we need some more cover in midfield, ideally, if we can, but obviously in this market is pretty complicated to do that. But as I always say, the most important thing is that we get the performances and the time on the pitch that we need with the players that we have available today.
And you know, Frankesi, free. Frankesi,
hey,
to be to have a fact.
Dia my Frankesi dia
she on now I know sir. On no I know sir. You be an
nature say we take good decision.
Oh, that be the decision not taking there no about just on Barcelona no I know sir.
Why no dey?
So by you what do you generally pass according to me man. Na dia. I could walk up but still na Frankesi. Jena boom couldn't be my pass.
Oh,
Frankesi. Jena Arsenal, Uncle Arsenal. Ana who me ya
oh, Midanke.
So call bo.
Midanke.
Midanke. Any party go ye men kazo mpira no say go ye yipe.
So omu gusu wo mo hwe Moises Caicedo any Abrante fe no Onana of
Everton.
Yeah.
Danka Frankesi. Frankesi. Ya dey mom bia be 25 million.
E be do dey.
Since I cost right 25 million. Nti Frankesi. Asna see you anamu keto. Fabregas and Alexis Sanchez mo. Ya dey mom Antino. Bye.
No.
Okay. Ana Chelsea mo pe. Omo de bia, mo de bia betwam, betwam fam hwena no gina.
Ruben Loftus-Cheek no mukra ye be pam na Frankesi.
No just bia betwam fam hwena no bia mo pe.
Bribi pa.
Yeah, mo go fe.
No way.
O de why there be no ni why mudia ke say why.
No ni no. Oh okay. No Gakpo ya wa ba Liverpool no yesin Gakpo. Ni bribia na numbers ni bribia yesin Gakpo ba na aizo yina koye.
It's Gakpo isu na for Liverpool it say no ni.
The club na wa say timuni.
Masa.
Gakpo ti wa ma who's to say yine ya ba be shegu.
Gakpo so in terms of goal scoring me blame no.
But moshi you.
And yes moshi one situation over to Liverpool no. Oba na mfa, anko oba na Liverpool fa. Say they are scoring, Anko be adapt it. That's about all by them.
No way be a de bia e ko be ka make as asem no cho say team bia perform well even those below average ground you rate them high.
Oba pick the rhythm no.
Oba no about 5 minutes ground who say yes.
Cause even Mohamed Salah kura wa yes. Kwana mfa Gakpo need the player create chances. But Oba no the current state of Liverpool no be too many mwa. But me ogidi won him against Chelsea. I watched I ended the first submission in 90 minutes. In a league. But he was better than other Liverpool players on one ball. On the day he was better than Mohamed Salah. On the day he was better than James Milner and more. About more 10 matches correct. Now we know next 100 million. You know actually. Gakpo for next season. On the present to me man to say that we know next. Because the reason why some of the Liverpool fans Gakpo say they were not scoring. I don't want to find the buy. They are expecting say one say
but numbers not the bind they are serious.
Assisting in that also sing the goals.
Oh yeah.
And even on mobile now not once they are expecting say Gakpo be say. I don't say they come here as a pressure. But our pressure be on farmer Mohamed Salah.
They can kasat.
And that we know next.
So time we nanka boy no obe to me the launch na ho enya a position but Abrant Diago Hota no more Luis Diaz no more ba.
Oh, look at the position.
If you a best say no cry.
Position of bonus, so bit more about typical number 10.
Oh,
a bit more about 10. Oh, but the system number 2 and farmer Liverpool now. Even currently Liverpool cover on one Neymar Mbappe back in Sessa. Because the entire team no the coach and soccer.
One month as intina yati as say Sano young atiase season na a backfire.
No matter some motor for.
Oh, I can backfire. Top four ni dear unless you say team CB Momu Sebi Womu Jimmy Mabi.
I'm not seeing Arsenal bowing out from the top 4.
Oh, the business na the
potential Man City. Ana United form you me who say we film one na slot na ba
na form nzuo.
Ana Newcastle form no kra no.
Ana me say e form.
Ana me kan form no.
Ana e football.
Send the form na the ball no.
Maybe last season Tottenham tumbe ball top 4 now compare with Arsenal that time na Peke na Arsenal lose is
it's in the munya Peke mono because answer the place be
and ya Peke
ma Peke form.
Oh, I'm telling you from today.
Chelsea Peke form.
I'm telling you from today. Check your last 2 games, you know. Even check players in there boy.
Last 2 games, watch Newcastle's the last 9 games.
No, you are talking of a team with declining IFA Noreba. Anna, what they compare
the last 2 games, no 4 points out of the 6.
Yes,
it's at least we can say
compared to
the previous 9 matches.
Previous 9 before the last 2. Previous 9 now when you 4 points. Previous 9 now when you 4 points. And at the last 2 when you 4 points. Sanity.
And they be no. What is
they be tough like. Look, okay, from the top
maintaining form now
me catch it before the season started say per Niama Chelsea team na femuno psychologically any a new regime abana yes season bibiano it won't take overnight now they ajampe they make any case it won't happen it won't ever happen. So me I understand the situation. That is why I've been defending whatever is going on in the club till today. Minya 1-on-1 now YSL Betiasia Memoatiasi and now from the top hierarchy what more making it clear. Yes, one more making the clear say this is the situation.
But it be
another, you know, to have the season and you bring all players fit. Then in the Champions League, there was Champions League ball, and you know, my got some trouble. Chelsea anya shekrano. Even in the Champions League quarterfinals, semi-finals, you will find Chelsea there. Yes, you will find. You will find. Yes, and I'm but you will find Chelsea there. Yes, you will find Chelsea there.
With all these materials that you are getting,
these are not
the man now be handle the materials. Okay. It's a problem.
Look, a Jumano no reyeno. But I say now he is there because one man knows certain benefit to enjoy. Yes, one certain benefit to enjoy. Same as Chelsea for our for game in Arsenal. We've also given our that benefit so or enjoy because you consider situation around and the younger man also benefit. But I don't think say it will continue after this season say yes start a fresh season because this season they about halfway away. Aka how many maybe one
so next season most start
yes.
and go here that's when
it will depend on the last quarter of the season. The obechere is like work of a player on loan. Player ne more than more ba be boachere on and e be chere say we make loan deal no permanent ana. Is what I can say. So that is that for Graham Potter. Yes, I don't think with all these materials in this annual man, ya started be 2023-24 season na started how you born 9 matches na you 4 points out of 9 way there. I don't think he will be pardoned for that, and that's one man is a mandate to continue. So I know it won't happen. But for now, even the owners, those in authority, the powers that be, one more crampona consider all situations around and one more now even sporting director, proper one, they are here to appoint one. So a lot of things are going behind the scene that the public are not even aware of.
Supporters,
that is it. That is from supporters. So young there, I don't think so. Sometimes when you give much attention to supporters, you end up making mistakes near the manager. Say you go to a time they are even Chelsea supporters at the year. Papa friend Thomas Tuchel. Yes. Make about seasoned supporters, trustees. Proper supporters are one more anu edugwemu. They were calling for the man sack. 18 matches. No, we're winning 4 from last season. I had room this season. Okay. Yes. The numbers in here similar to even Graham Potter first 18 matches. 44% winning rate. So it is supporters. It is like that. In the year, they will call for your sacking. Now say
GDO Graham Potter.
Oh, okay, me. Who say sometimes football. Man United they win the league 2012-2013. How many years now? We are getting into 10 years old. One more win the league. One more sake manager Kwaba, one more sake manager Kwaba. You get it. Arsenal win the league. How many years now? I think the last time was 2003-2004. One more win the league here. Liverpool. It took Liverpool how many years? Yes, these are some. So every single club, how even Barcelona. Last season, someone win the league. This season they are trying. Say far, afa, and far. What happened? Yes. Say far. It doesn't mean say no. And I say far. Now the following season, Xavi won't be pardoned.
Okay.
For now, the trust me what opening him say now. Materials no pa. He is part of the signings our moye. And a bar where me say is very good when it comes to talent nurturing. And
Graham Potter.
Yes, and with these players, we to me put you together. Look, they are Frank Lampard, Ebeyema, Thomas Tuchel, Onibinu. So compare Thomas Tuchel, OBJ Chelsea in January half season, the other year, and onya a whole 2021-2022 season. Yet also fourth. Should you be ye?
Remember, as I told you, the Graham Potter, Thomas Tuchel, about to the level of Pep Guardiola, you see Mourinho, and then your friend is saying, Jurgen Klopp, that level now. Unless we're starting a full season,
he's never done anything better.
Given the opportunity now,
and
full season,
yes,
although he won the Champions League,
on full season,
to that level of
a full season, this I say into his third season.
Yeah, and Timberland's about 2 seasons.
Yes, still
almost 2 seasons. Yeah.
About work Champions League na the boni. The any answer go Di Matteo no munsambre. So we win Champions League.
Okay.
But any answer no why I don't know.
Okay. Ntino Krobia no just Chelsea. Munya botre, asemba. Munya botre, Sleep Queens ne munya botre asemba. Munya botre. Ntino solo so that's nasi. Me kono mama solo akwa varana mwe journey live on Facebook Okuman Radio 97.1 on Facebook. Okuman Radio 97.1 on Facebook. YouTube and so on. Okuman Radio 97.1. And the lines are here. Juma no emienta 0551667755 0551667755 and 0270191971 0270191971 and our face 0205818748 0205818748 748 and then line tap and then yedi adwumate abra no so a na so afre ade anso no ade abem okay na producer say editorial me fan share chena producer say editorial me fan share chena na
say one mo kobo finals
ever
Man United. Yes, I can be here Juma or Bass and Hoka Krabat. Yeah, fan short. Yeah, Anka. Because me a fan of Xavi appointment in a new Juma from last season. Yes, I can be here no Juma Krabat.
And I say Nanka Rashford me one so far.
Yeah, no so
Asemba munya buti.
Kambeya Juma kakra.
Ma wanye Juma.
That time ninti no yeah. Say Yankwa ha. Time ninti anka yankwa ha.
Oba so wura mu adami won. Adami park na me zanka editorial na china nanka.
Oh chai beba. You know, budget no.
China the totally show in your editorial show. China there.
China beba budget no.
You baby okay.
They no do some do nim yemfa we ni ye ne.
Adami park. Sanka editorial me ni nyina hye.
Nanka dia ni na hye.
Nanka
yenya santi na ni se ya.
Bepa ne ho kakra mo.
Nti ene ni di yenwie ni se ya na.
Yentumi nja nto ho sa na wa bobo so yi de. Yentumi nja ho sa.
But I could be under second division, Eastern region.
One more chance. Say February.
O measure say 28.
28 yeah.
This month
yeah, 28 yeah.
In the weekend we are.
I learned to say early February mama.
You be bo man
about 28. Sen my just saying sabe ka PR adwuma na manfo ye no imagine no de tifie.
Sabe to be man no.
Of later of fire. Say PR adwuma no imagine no de tifie. And no but Eastern region here rep for Premier League.
Na say Kotoku
you hear more. Say na ko bro half wa. Diana Stars mo
be Chelsea. Be any say one na dominate Ghana football and
I don't know. But I Black Galaxy issue by me say say o kan wa asem yo. I mean say na ni Niger na be bo. Ana na be kwesi ana.
Ni Niger.
Saturday.
Ni Niger. It is all can was say.
Oh, okay. You see, me my players no. A bigger opportunity na woman no. Okay, look, Mr. Okaje, your players are the local scene. When given the opportunity, they will even go and play for free just to showcase what is in them to the scouts near their baby PM. In doing, I mean, can't say we are the more minor and just all right, but in doing so, no, once we pay down to a certain height, platform idea or human life. So it will be a platform. I think it's a bigger, even to have the national shirt on you. Now, a new bit to me create chakra and easy and a players and woman in our receiving one idea. So I think the woman and Shana woman young wejuma now. Up to the players say we give it their all, but with other behind the scene in some way if you banner, I don't think say benefit even the players nankasa if one more make sure so one will put this new man into their heads now they could give me how mankasa. Okay, their career is also important to themselves. Okay,
I mean chawa no but yankwa man so na PRO adama Eastern region RFA no ono bano second division ma omai nchirimu kakra Abrant Manucho awa mano so ntino ebe kwa mano so senior bibia kama wie
abodi adom me pacho nyame de yankwache
muna otemu awaye Koforia Puma Ntema Nkro boyemu aye Eastern region second division shase on the 28th and say no at the same
well many ade kan mamenda wase na menchia watifu de awie na menda wase akonya modiama the Regional Football Association. Yes, of course. Everything is under plan. Senior. Yes, shared is Nakopon year 28th of this month. Yes, you're in Division 2 League, After no, Bibia ends society. And Bibia also eku apaso Nakopon year Chebi Astrutef come Saturday 3 p.m. Ghana time. Boko United and Port City came no and the official opener at the 2022-2023 football season. Because so our region no more 60 teams and party our in Lega be ball our region no more. At the end of the day, you be 6 teams from each zone because there were 10 teams in one zone into our 6 zones. It is 6 teams and ever qualify from that particular zone and I'm about compete our medal like na ya team up here champion. They are called a division 1. It is say security wise. Yabomodia at me I preparation home team no ebe there but office na so na e was maybe ebe ka ho quickly and also bet me aka and make us everything is on point.
Senior, you in terms of support, sponsorship, Modema clubs in Division 2, more sponsorship.
Well, talking about sponsorship, Mamenka said years back, some people trying to say the image of the regional football. Regional football, no, a bit more at the nature form. Nti your football no acronym no na endo obi a concern and was ekoba no you were Lemford na demonstration obaye no kakra ye pepa sa edin bone na ye nyaye ewo region ni mo no ma fi twa mu no ye make attempt say ye benya sponsorship ade ama ye clubs no na nkom ho aha omo sponsorship no entimi anye ye afi Minim say Yancho Crown, your sponsors, and as a sponsorship letters and our proposal letters, a hodo Embro Crown, about 10 at the corporate institutions. Now, Yashanim Sanka, you bet me, and Yamwa at the free honomo. The response now a buyer no, which means na and you good for region. As I speak with you, say Yanya one sponsorship, say bet me a boy Sikasam. Them. Because the only sponsorship by your grandpa and no any say ABA in the name of RFA and Eastern Football but by because of Kotoku Royals, it's the brand and how chairman as if a position a war a football more Ghana ha and a football more outside football more a war your league no more and then the position our war our football mono and on your sponsorship at the Kotoku Royals. A national health insurance for no and no be and what me a portion at the regional football association. Yade a year health insurance at the 2,505 people our region more. Omunano a football people, a club officials, training body, management, coaches, the referees, and staff of the regional football association. So sponsorship no done and yes you make attempt but because of DMB you nyan baby no this time around no you try say you paper and that's the reason why this time around you press you reposition your home now you to me telecast some of our matches in live my clubs no corporate institution if we are seeing now how our football no at our region anymore now it me attract other institutions no matter my baba boy media.
Okay, I know Manu Chunin saw the about sponsorship, but I think Eastern Cup will be as no a munching what to say.
Mia, because I have said, medical catcher said we have a visionary leader in person of A.A. Lemford as a mobile now football clubs and football fraternity no or more fair no King Solomon. Yes, of course, King Solomon indeed, because many I will share for the past 2-3 seasons. Your teams are in Yan Nord no at the Echo Division 1 or the following season we will have back on Che Ewumu Adentia. 1 unya match playing time. 2 unya adequate preparation and fanya preparation and fan 3 because of set when you match playing time when you adequate time and fan prepare now when to me and talk quality players in tea or kwa no wasaswaba. So we started a plan and then a policy and then a strategy last season. Last season we form a league border. Yeah, Jai BBI the more your ma teams no in match playing time. It last season after say a ball group stages in the no your ba metal leg no. You have a ball metal leg no all play all you we benya top 4. And then top 4 no and you me ebenya mu champion at the Echo Division 1. And you name the performance of former Kofodia, another former Boko BB Sporting Club, and they Yaya Kofodia Simple FC. General performance over Division 1. So plan on any year stick it to this particular season. And this particular season, Osha 60 teams, 10 clubs in one zone, you bring 19 matches, and after 18 matches rather, after that 18 matches, we have a ball Middle Lake. Now face waiting in your north, and you who say and Samsung enough and family, your boy is take up bank, MOCO United and the United, Echo Final, MOCO Edge 2019 season. It is this time around, we thought it wise, Eastern Cape, now ourselves about 7 years above. Now your teams, and your match playing time, or no much with the assassin team, and then the players that they have. That's the reason why this time around Eastern Cape, but the good news is that Eastern Cape man from my Division 2 clubs in Nkwa. Yes, of course, a man also have access to it. Division 3 clubs have access to it. Let me abwa ama every department of our game at me acronym. So Eastern Cape this time around Urban. Now me energy somebody say banner Urban ambassador boy Eastern Cape just to make sure say teams in match playing time, players to me are fit enough and then blah 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 blah. No. But the office is ready to support each and every clubber make it into the quarterfinals of the Eastern Cup.
Okay.
That 8 teams, will be 1,000 Ghana cedis at the year preparation. So we could do quarterfinals. Then we could do semi-finals. 4 teams now bit me across semi-finals. Will be 1,500 in support of from the RFA to prepare themselves. And then a banner final now. The champion an amount of 3,000 Ghana cedis, 40 gold medals, and then the trophy. And then the runners-up will get an amount of 2,000 Ghana cedis, and then 40 silver medals. The same thing applies to the women, and then the juvenile side. Champions of champions. Now, yet me rep of Eastern region and national. So these are some of the things that office table down a bit me in clubs and then the regional football.
Okay, Manucho, common the do on our horns and Misana Dosa, Yabesi emu nchino, but I brain into Yabestre Nades in a Mementa. Say to me, friend, Yatua, and Comachuano, so now producers of Fro, I am Froa. Madam, no after Pierre humanity, who say an amount central for who's a human woman that only was in it. Madama, a friend now, so when I break Ediama, Yakakra, aye.
Maybe I did my minion of Fidicas, so now. Sorry to production team and then or more institution, and any of my way say one day, what about Shampa when I shem here,
yes.
That was who said if I at you. I mean, look at this year, she meeting at 9 o'clock. Maybe a meeting in a call at the bar,
That is a parent man, I am adding,
it will be a it's a command, sir, not Modia Chemunia, because a Jumano Samun can mean to me. It's a Cobana, and I am a hammer, but I am a young from Sonia Payo. But you can't see, you better now be quickly. Yet near turn it to course on the night in your boy, because without you people, office and reliable.
So, Jumano doors, and as I want more sign Biama, a binum, maybe to me, at the communication there. I am now, no brother, and I just will be, don't want to say,
can me person between me employ Ubukra coming. Oh, mini, I come, I employ what
I'm out for so do what I need to be nice. I'm manager, you have an answer. When I say, only a command 97.1 didn't come on.
This is one of the Regional Football Association they didn't come on, and we appreciate it very much.
And I say, and so Yelia Manucho, and I know what's in Kone, a year Casamafo, and my Eastern region, a year that's the regional a year FA Association Eastern region. And I tell you, Carabara, Breno Zulu,
Manucho, I have some training to who said it. I know I have some training to who said it. Yes, Eastern region, yes, this time around, you might have a course of Kama. And said to me, dear Maya, now Eastern Cup, they have a way a second edition. As I about 20, even your GF and Casa or more, aside the leg, and it. A Division 1 leg, almost a FA Cup, almost a time bounty. Make us a young boy, RFA for that, so it was that competition now. Amodi abandon. I can say Bibia Bay Boko and so I will hold them clubs no Obianso and won't be hano. A branding tea at Bessie now. My man was Derek Ohio, and then the birthday. And happy birthday and confirm Derek Ohio. Oh yeah, yeah, bra, ya konta, ya wafa, ya baby, auntie, I'm at the pa, and ya buseni na say Derek, yeah, my happy birthday, and so Arab money, any nickname, Scarbon. Ote skabon ote pa and see Derek yes you muskani di enti e boss na wote ya na wa ma so ye di na ye kama enti Derek happy birthday and so I'm confirm more money more blessings.
Okay, and also I don't know tie from fan say yenti wa mo one but chana ye no ma and e be dwumadi na chana editorial ne ye ni listeners no and ye upon Black Stars, Black Queens, FA, and I feel so at Demi Park, yes, at Demi Park, and near Tea for China, man, Ebedi Jumedi, and see the best near Kobaria Queen. Happy birthday, Kasiapa, and confirm Gisela Asari Beidu, or their managers, White Oak Architecture and Construction Limited, Sanso, and our loss prevention officer, Accra Marriott Hotel, and their birthday. Gisela, yanko ponsha papa na yo kese we if you wa uni aba ho Josephine or say always so happy birthday na asem akọ no be so ka kire o say odo ye papa na ayema ni nyina no nani so na oda na koma so papa and Gisela Asari Beidu happy birthday and confirm managers White Oak Architecture and Construction Limited Sanso and Loss Prevention Officer Accra Marriott Hotel happy birthday and confirm Gisela ye the best na finsi yakọ na Jumedi Akano atu so nyame pa ochina ebeba na afin so no yabedi nkomo executive producer Ira Kofi Anson Bafo na Kofi Okori Ajiman Krobia Sante Samson Apostle Paradise Ziggy Donzi Ajo Pokia Wanam the writer commentator Munyina boy ma Jumedi ne ba medin Kelvin Pontedi Ufemeka Bajoso Uchum
So let the history be told. We're all out here hustling to make a way. And while you're stumbling and falling, why don't you pick yourself up now? You see, we all